Okay, and then
Yeah, it looks like it wants to come down. It looks like it's gonna come down. I think we can see 938. Yep, that candle for sure solidified it. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I'll just reject it off the. Let's see.
shit. Shit, there it goes. Yeah. Oh, we could always play to the upside. I mean, if I could snipe one upside for like $200, $300, that would be insane. Start building this buffer. Yeah, shit. Yeah, we always do anyway. I mean, it can drop down all the way to 920, but even farther to 857. Okay, let me take a look at the 5 minute. Oh, so you're thinking like 693? Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's okay. Take your time. Yeah. Are you trading the combine or the express? Okay. Yep. Just follow you step by step. Be nice to make a grand tonight. It's the Wicks, man. The Wicks. The Wicks. I think the dental back out.
I'm a fourth year dental student who's about to graduate.
Yeah, I didn't understand that. The market sell one. Oh, okay. My bad. My bad. My bad.
Order filled.
Hang on. Yeah, but I exited quickly. I don't want to screw it up.
Order filled.
All right, I'm in.
If this does want to go up, we want to see the VWAP to be respected and then come back down. So let's see. But yeah, man, we got Asia low at 937. I'm shorting, so I'm selling this market here.
All right, up $2. Woo! Woo! $3.
If we break 940, we can add one more and then tighten the risk, the stop loss, and then go from there. But right now we're retesting a support that we broke. So we do want to see this be respected here.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go 1 micro, and then bang, just get locked in. Just because I'm not exactly alerting any of this because we're scalping, and if it turns into a bigger trade, that's awesome. But if this fails and goes against us, we might get stopped out way before I even finish typing the alert. So you gotta lock in here if it
Yeah,
goes
we're
our
locked.
way.
Up $2, $3.50, $4. Nice. And if we could get all the way down and catch actually this, that'd be like insane.
Yeah, man. I do think we dump, man. I mean, just look at the chart if you back up on the
Uh-huh.
5 minute, um,
Yeah, I'm looking at it. 5 minute chart.
the $25,000 level, like we might break it, but I think right now we still got some stuff to get down here. So I think if we do get down there, I think where we really need to be careful here is 916. That could definitely be where the reversal point where it can go against us. But for right now,
916 is
I feel
actually
like this
too easy.
gets I feel like we can get most of this move here.
Yeah. Stress free trade.
Trying to do this full time and get good at it. Still a noob. It's all good, man. That's why evals are here for us to learn. For us to learn, man. It's better than risking 50,000 of your actual money to learn if you're a noob, you know? All right, man. We're in. Let's see. I'm gonna put some music on now.
We have been making a higher low every time, so it just makes me wonder this is gonna come down. Initially, I do want to see it though break 938. I think is gonna be our real confirmation. So
And if we get stopped out before adding anything, it's all good. We're only risking $36.
Yeah.
Which indicators am I using? I'm using the VWAP, the 9 EMA, and 21 EMA. My bad, my bad.
So that VWAP's at 967. Let's see what it's gonna do there.
Yo, what up, Figs?
What up, C Figs? Down $9. Come down.
Yeah, we're shorting NQ here. MNQ with just one micro here. We're looking to size into this if it goes our way, but for right now, it's just one micro, and then we had a move down. We're looking to get a continuation here. So let's see it go down, and then yeah, I think we go to 916 because we've been rejecting way up here. Just this is like the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sixth time we the sixth time we rejected up here. But just like anything too, like the more times the level gets retested, I know we're probably going to break through, but I think that we go down to grab some of this down here, the structure that we left behind before we do that. So let's see if that let's see if we can get some of this move down before it decides to do that. But it's all good. If we're in one micro here. Yeah, that's it. Bang. Because I'd rather say the last three numbers than 25,000 every single time. It's like such a mouthful.
All right, let's see it get rejected here now.
And yeah, I mean, and also too, Bang, just keep in mind that when I do say those, it's obviously the ones that we're closest to, because I'm obviously not talking about 25,997 or or 23,000.
This is the moment of truth right here, right at the VWAP.
Yeah, VWAP is for sure the last line of defense that we want to see be respected here.
It's rejecting the VWAP. I just want to see. I'm hoping this is a fake dead cat bounce, and then we'll come all the way down.
And then yeah, again, just so you know too, if we break 940, we're sizing into that. We're gonna start sizing in because we're creating a new low there. So let's see it. Come on, baby. Yeah, the VWAP for sure is like where we want to see it be respected.
And we have that 20 EMA now at 958. We also want to keep an eye out on that it doesn't bounce from there. So
I like this reaction, so let's see some follow through down lower.
like it too. Nice. I like where this is heading. I'll also share my screen too so you guys see what I'm seeing. So if you look at my screen, guys, and if you're paying attention, we can zoom in here or zoom out, excuse me. We could actually zoom out and we could look at the 30-minute chart. So we do have that nice trend line that's coming above, and we already did break it. So my main reaction is that I really want this follow through now to come and dump it, because initially we did break this trend line, but I do want to see the follow through, and I feel like if we break it, we can probably retest these lows again, 475, as Icebag mentioned. So just gonna take a look at that, but you know, so far it's chill. We are down $2. We have 1 micro in. Our entry was at 956. If you're wondering what the entry is, 956, you'd be at our entry where we got it now. FYI. So, Asia session, it's a lot more chill. Keep making lower highs. So hopefully we can get the sweep to the downside.
Yeah, hopefully it doesn't take us out and then goes.
I think I don't know, the new 30-minute candle opens in 5 minutes, so we'll see. I think we come down. No, I really do think we come down. I think it's time. But and markets want to do what it wants to do. Lingering at that 20 EMA now at that 958 level, so we'll see. Here we are officially below that 30-minute flood line, so see how it's going to react. For sure was just in 2 micros and it hit my TP. Might re-enter if it doesn't cross the VWAP. Yes. T-Fix, how much more money do you need in order to pass? Or wait, is this an Express account? So CFIGS needs it depends on if you have a 50K account. You have a 50K account. I believe it's 3K to, yeah, so 3,000 to pass. Bango bango. And then CFIGS needs 1,600. Okay, so I need 3,500. Okay.
No, you can only make $1,500 in a day. So yeah, because you said you're down 500, you got to make 2,000 now.
It's very doable.
Yeah, it is. Hopefully we can size into this properly, and then we can make your money back.
Yeah. Like I said, chat, it's very calm. Asia session. We don't get wild during this time unless we're making a grand. But other than that, chill session. We're gonna size in. I requested a payout today. Icebag was the witness. Been trading with him now for almost 6 months. So we'll get you there, guys. We'll get you there. So
Oh, you should check your email. You should check your email for the congrats on your requesting your payout.
oh yeah. Good job. Okay. So let's see. Okay, I did get a. Okay, so hi Noor, congratulations on your payout request. This is all what it's all about. Your hard work is literally paying off. We're processing the payout for your account.
Let's go.
Payouts are handled daily, but they can take up to. So does that mean it's approved? 7 to 10 business days?
No, not yet. It's still processing. You got to go to the website, and then it'll show you when it's fully approved and sent. But since it's 7 days, you got some time to wait. I mean, if you did Wise, you probably would have gotten it tomorrow.
Okay, well not in a hurry. Maybe I'll do Wise next time. So
Yeah, it's so
just
much more
wanted to.
convenient.
Yeah, I just kind of wanted to get it done over and over with. So I hope this is not acting like support now. Everything wants to push up, so and 974 is our stop loss. It's right at that VWAP. Let's see how it's gonna react. That VWAP twice interjected, but let's see.
Yeah, the VWAP is for sure failing. Hold it down. I just have a feeling, dude. I just have a feeling. That's like the common theme I have been going on here with this that it takes me out and then it goes.
I think it's
Yeah,
gonna take us. It's gonna take us out.
yeah,
Order
no,
Yep,
filled.
take us out. Yep. So
it's all good.
took us out.
36 bucks. Okay, well, the hour. It's not closed, but it's definitely really bullish now.
The hour's bullish.
Yeah.
So we did respect that line. Yeah, I mean, if we could target 25,300 if it wants to act bullish now. Gold looks like it's pumping its way back up.
Okay, if we were to pull back on the NQ, how long? I'll go with the trend here because, again, I mean, like I said earlier, like ultimately, I think that it is gonna break through. I just thought we would go for like these lows, but right now it's very bullish now. He wants to push. But let's see. I'm not gonna rush into it. I mean, if this next 15, I mean, I'm still waiting on the setup here, but if this next 15 closes above 988, then yeah, because the 4 hour just flipped green here. It flips green right here. So everything's aligning to be bullish here, but anything can still happen if it closes differently.
Yeah, you're absolutely correct. Hold on 1 second, chat. I'm just gonna mute myself.
Yeah, let's wait. Let's wait.
You know, I mean, even when you look at the overall picture, it looks like either going to break to the upside or downside. I know generic information, but it is kind of chopping. I already busted out my first account, and it's hard for me to log on for market open nighttime. More chill for me out. Yeah, I mean, nighttime's going to be a lot more chill to begin with. So
The nighttime is for sure a lot chill, a lot more chill. I'm still bearish until we get the closure on the 15 that I would like to see if we want to flip the bias, but let's see how this 15-minute closes.
do you stop trading gold, ice pick?
For Top Step, I did stop just because of the restrictions.
Restrictions, okay.
Wow, what do you see?
No, I was just curious because it seems like you've just kind of been fading NQ lately, but yeah, I totally get it with the restrictions. It's kind
No,
of
the
difficult.
restrictions, dude. 2 micros, you need a lot of volatility for 2 micros to really pay off.
Yeah.
But let's see it actually. Let's see if I mean the daily just looks nasty, like just freaking back-to-back candles at almost the same. Right now it looks bullish.
I'd love to target 125. I'll go just trigger to buy
For what?
for NQ on the 1 minute chart. But, we need to break that 984 as you mentioned. $88.
Yeah, if the 15 closes here, we got 10 more minutes on it.
Just for our viewers, we're still doing 1 micro, correct? And then we'll size in as we go in.
Yeah.
Okay. So people are not confused. Do we have anybody with us that joined us on the YouTube?
We got one viewer. What up, man? Yeah, we tapped into it and then okay, I'm gonna keep an eye on I'm gonna check back on gold here in the next 15-minute candle. Let's see what it does here. I'm interested to see what happens here. Yeah, and like I said, I do think we grab some of these lows. I mean, it would suck if we don't see any of that, and then in New York, that's what we do. But I do think that we, that right there, these lows that we're leaving behind, we grab them.
Yeah.
Hopefully here soon, while we're trying to trade it. London is getting close too.
That'd be exciting.
Okay, we are rejecting, or not rejecting, but we're consolidating at 988. So this is a good spot to keep in mind if we want to continue up. Let's see. Okay, we got 5 more minutes on this candle here. Yeah, the 15-minute for sure pushed up here on the gold. Okay, okay. We could possibly see a long here on gold. Yeah, it's looking good here. Okay, but where would our stop be? And then we're rejecting here on NQ. $988. We're not closing. Because on NQ, we're printing a lower high.
Mm-hmm.
I think I might try
Yeah.
NQ here again. Yeah, I'm gonna try NQ. I'm sure I'm putting my limit sell here.
You're gonna short it?
Yeah, I'm gonna short it here because we're rejecting that level. We're about to close at 15. If last try on NQ, I'm risking $35 at the high at 40, 24.99.
Are you in?
Yeah, I'm in now. Gold is closing. It just closed above. So if we pull back, if we pull back on gold, I'll enter along there too. So it'll be two different trades with 1 micro each. But I want to see this pull back on gold. So okay, so for NQ, I'm gonna try it again. We failed to close above that line. If it just pumps and takes me out, that's fine. I do think, like again, I do think we see these lows. I mean, we printed a lower high. We got back up here, failed to close above this resistance zone right here. So I'm gonna give it another shot. And yeah,
Order filled.
I'm looking for it
Stopped
to.
out.
Damn, how tight was your stop loss?
Stopped out. Damn.
My
$12.
stop loss is at 24,999, $35, and then let's see about a pullback here
Oh,
on gold. Yeah, we got some volume coming in here on NQ. And then let's wait for a pullback on gold.
mm-hmm. Damn, gold is pumping.
Yeah, I want to pull back on gold. It might even be better than NQ.
Yeah.
A little more gold. Yeah, I'm out of
Yep.
NQ.
Yep. I think
Lockdown
it's
$70 from
upside.
NQ.
All right. I think it's gonna actually break to the upside now.
Yeah, I still want to see that close. I'm not convinced until I see that close above, but
Yeah. Fair
we'll see.
enough.
Because we could pop and then just completely reject too. I mean, either or could happen. So depending on if we get a nasty, ugly rejection here on NQ, I'll try it again. But for right now, I'm hands off. But gold, man, he just wants to go without us, man. Okay, we finally tapped into 25,000 on a.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're getting the pullback on it. Gold. Okay. Yeah. I think I might try NQ just one last try.
Recording it.
Look at this rejection off 25,000, bruh. If I had
Yeah.
we are pulling back on gold too, so let's see.
Shortage just one more time on Q. Let's see.
Yeah, we're rejecting the 90s for sure. We tapped into 25,000 and now we're rejecting the 90s. If we break 91, I'll take another stab at it. By the way, I'm not using the market orders. I'm using the joint ask, so I get the best possible fill.
Stop sell at 91 then.
What was that?
You put a stop sell at 91?
Not yet, not yet. And then
Okay.
stop loss would be at 25,004.50.
Okay.
So we're keeping these things tight. We don't need to do too much of a stop loss. I mean, if I'm wrong, I'd rather be wrong quick than just watching the P&L just go red, red, red.
Yeah.
But okay, so
Especially
for gold too, if we don't create the wick and then kind of recover at that point, I'll probably be hesitant because if we stay here and we close like this, I see this as a potential reversal or just a pullback. So I don't want to buy the top. And then it'll probably pull back to about 50 and 10. Yeah, we slowed down here at 25,000.
yeah, whenever it slows down like that, I feel like it always wants to move to the either. side. So we'll
Yeah, I
see.
mean, just think about it. At first, it was like it pumped just to get us up to 25,000, and now we just kind of flattened out. We stalled.
Yeah.
I mean, the VWAP is pretty flat, so there's not as much volume. But let's see.
Well, next time we know we can size heavy on that VWAP. Oh.
Yeah, I know. Look, I know. Look, it rejected, and then as soon as it broke, it just went up to 25,000.
Seriously, just take that. I mean, I got to do 5 minutes at one point on the express. It's only fair.
Oh yeah. I mean, eventually.
Ooh. We
Okay,
a
NQ.
fair
Come on.
value gap.
What are we doing, NQ?
It's chopping right now, but I mean, it can really go in either direction. So VWAP's holding just fine. It's not even far away from the VWAP, so
We're about to get top of the hour right now too. Let's see what that looks like. We're still rejecting the 90s on the Nasdaq here. Gold is leaving behind a wick.
yeah, I think NQ comes down now.
Yeah, I should. Yeah, it's just cheaper for me to re-enter if this plays out now.
Mhm.
Okay, I like this rejection. I'm gonna join the ask. I'm shorting one. I'm in. $23 of risk now. At the high right there, 25,004. If we break through 980s, I'll add. I'll add into this. But for right now, let's see. Let's see what it does here. Yeah, gold is leaving behind a nasty wick here on the 15 minute, so I don't know anymore. I'm changing my mind. Whew. Rejection on gold.
Come on, rejects for us, NQ.
Watch, I'm telling you, if we don't see it here while we're trying to get this right now, I think we see it at some point tonight. Watch. Just watch.
Just
Top of the hour might
lingering.
wake us out, but let's see. I'm very optimistic right now.
On, come down, please. There you go. They're just acting like support now. Jeez.
Yeah.
Would you size into this trade or no?
Yeah, but we got to come down.
Let it break 991 for us. Come on.
Okay, fresh hour now. Let's see what happens here.
Are you gonna get stopped out? Rejection candle. All right, come back down now, buddy. Poppy. All right, this is it, Ice Bag. This is it.
Let's see. Let's see.
What do you think, chat? Let me know if you guys think if we are going to drop down to that previous low 955 or if we're going to wick back up. Let me know what you guys think.
It's rejecting the 25,000.
Yeah, it's an even number.
Gold pumps and Q dumps.
Yep. Yes. At 25,000. Nice. I like that.
Do it. Gold is looking
And
a
on
lot
the
more like stressful than 9Q here. I don't know if you guys are looking at my chart, but on the right side, gold is like making highs and then, I mean, not highs, but like going up and then back down. The same move back down. This looks a lot more annoying than what NQ is doing. But
seems like it's respecting that 20 EMA on the 1 minute.
what
Who's bouncing off that?
NQ?
Yeah, on NQ, we need to literally break
Oh wait,
below
no,
it
this
for
is
it.
not freaking gold. This is NQ. Yeah, it is fucking annoying still. I thought it was they're both NQ. That's funny. Okay, come on, baby.
Give it to us, Mango.
I'm more worried about getting wicked out and then it goes rather than what's happening with price right now.
Uh,
All right. Let's see,
oh,
man.
God, come on.
25,000 is doing the thing, but if this fails, this is a 3 strikes you're out types thing. So that'll be it for me if this doesn't work here for NQ.
No, whoops, I
Three
gotta make
strikes and you're out. What the heck is this? Dude, what is going on? Are you guys watching this? I think Warren Buffett's messing with us here. Okay, here we go. This is the rejection that you want to see, but I don't want to get wicked out and then it goes in our favor. Yeah, I agree with you, Bang. That's the idea here. I mean, we've been going up, we've been crawling up on the bigger time frames, and I feel like we got to grab some of these lows,
moment of truth right now. Wow, we almost nicked our stop loss,
and then
but
we can make our way back up, like in London or something. But for right now, I think we just pull back. But come on, man, we're still in that range. We need to break it. Yeah, we almost got nicked. But, I mean, it could still happen, but I'm not trying. I'm not. I'm just paying attention here. Let's see.
I'll fucking break down, you fucking bitch. I'd love to make a grand off this right now. I kind of like keeping the stop losses tight. It's really nice, actually.
Yeah, I like it.
It's like I just want to know, is the trade gonna go down or not?
Yeah, and honestly, like if you try these trades like at the like right here where we're trying it, it's better to do it so that way your stop loss is so much tighter than, than having it way up here, because then at that point now, the higher it goes, the more it's just invalidating you. So it's, if you're wrong fast, and that's fine. Like I always say, like, it's just cheaper to re-enter and give it another shot at another point. Because if this fails, it can go up a little bit higher, and then it could be doing this exact same thing, just a little bit higher. And it might even work that way. It might even work a little bit higher. But I'm leaning on the idea that we're at
Okay.
25,000, and
Okay.
this is where we're going to see a rejection.
Okay.
What
Come
do we
on,
got?
break it. There we go. We're back to break even now. 50 cents up, $1 up. Okay.
Okay. I'm joining the ask. I'm adding. Okay,
You added?
I'm lowering my stop loss. I'm going to keep it at $40 risk. I'm just going to tighten it up a little bit. If we
So
break
at 25,000.
if we break 980.25, I'm going to add another one. And then at that point, I'll be very close to break even, but we're managing the stop loss too as we go. Matter of fact, I'm lowering my stop loss to $35 at risk. Because if this is going to go, we want to see it go now. We want to get into this momentum here. No more of that bullshit.
Yep. Come on, break it.
$35 risk. $35 risk. Just retesting that support we just broke through.
Break it, break it, break it, break it, break it, break it, break it. I'd love for it to come back to 941.
Come on, baby. Okay. Yeah, like again, guys, Figs, yeah, man, I think we do come down, man. I mean, of course, I'd like to see it now, but if not, maybe a little bit later. But, we're here trying now, so of course I want to see it happen now. Bang bang, when would you double down? Double down and short more. Usually I like to add once we break levels. So like for right now, we broke this level that we've been kind of holding up right there. That's where I added, but then that also means that I'm shorting my, I'm tightening up my risk. I don't want to keep it way up here, and every dollar counts, man. So I don't want to keep it way up here. I mean, I could if I was really like, just trying to give it that more room, which I think I might actually. But since it's 2 micros, if I was like in heavier, yeah, I'll probably keep it down here because uh, what is that? 49 and then almost like $10. I mean, $10 is still quite a bit. It's still a lot for you to save. So anyway, yeah, we broke this level of support that we're now right now trying to like, retest it. And if it continues to respect it, I could even add another one right here when we break this. But it has to like all come together.
Please don't stop me out. Please don't stop me out.
But we want to size into the move. We don't want to size in like now while we're consolidating. Because right now, consolidating, if let's just say we're just continuing to add into this and it's just stops us out, then we just did all that and we risked a lot more than we would have liked to for a move that wasn't exactly confirmed at the moment, if that makes sense. So like right now, I'm only in 2 micros. It looks like we're going for stop loss, but if I went like 15 micros, then right now this loss would, probably suck. But 2 micros, we can manage that, and then if it continues, if it creates another low, we can even look into adding there. But right now, this is not looking good in the moment right now. So
Oh, it's chopping. Come
yeah,
on,
we're
dude.
consolidating around this. We're clinging on to 25,000. So
Really
I would have
need
gotten stopped out if
this.
I kept my stop loss a little bit lower. But for me, that's my last line of defense. It's still rejecting 25,000, man. I mean, just come on, man. Just do it.
Yeah.
We got like a triple top action.
Rejected once, twice, 3, 4, 5. Now we're heading for a 6 time. So let's see it.
New 15-minute candle right here. Since I already added at the break of the support, I'm looking to add one more when we break 980.
Give us a grand on this trade.
Okay, we new 15-minute candle. Let's see what happens here.
I just love how it just stalls when we're in the trade. There
Like I
we
said,
go.
25,000 is for sure doing what I wanted to do, but the longer we stay up here, just testing it, like tapping it, it's making me
Mhm.
nervous because it could break through. And, the more times you knock, eventually it's going to let you in.
Mhm. fact that we've been staying up here too the whole time is just
Yeah.
seems like that order block is just acting like support. It does not want to break 990. There we go.
Back in the green,
I
baby.
know. Come on, just fucking break. 990.
There you go. Take us down to the gulag.
There we go.
God damn it, bro. Just
Dude, what the fuck is this shit?
God damn it, man. Oh my gosh. Okay, here
Yo,
we go.
Somebody, chat, somebody sacrifice a lamb for us. Somebody sacrifice it for us.
What the fuck, man?
Ridiculous.
Jeez. Oh. Okay, here we go. Here we go.
Come on. Dude, let's reject off that 20 EMA stuff back to the beach.
I'll be right back. I gotta step away here.
Right, chat? Come on, we're breaking, chat. We're breaking. Are you guys still awake? You guys falling asleep in your bed?
Yeah, bang. This is literally it, man. This is literally the overnight session. So, I mean, if you're up for it too, dude, you can join the trade. Give yourself like a 50-point stop loss. It's only $100, and then just go out and about your night, man. But if you're
There we
here,
go. Come
if you're here,
on.
man, this is it, man. Unless there's like news or something that comes in, yeah, it'll be quick. But in New York, this would be a lot faster for sure. But
New York, this would have been done an hour ago,
yeah,
my
we would have
guy.
been
And we would
stopped
have been.
or thing. But that's the idea, man. That's why I only give myself an hour to stream. We just hit the hour and 19 minutes. So that's why I'm trying to be a lot more stricter with that. Because there was one time, how long were we in here? We were like
Like 4 hours.
4 hours, bro. We were in freaking stream for 4 hours, and it's so unnecessary. Waiting for wife to get off work. I'm on daddy duty, making sure. Yeah, dude, that's
Okay.
actually. I need to get off here too, so I can. The wifey can shower and stuff, but yeah, I need to do the same. I have a 6 month, 7 month old.
Yo, Bango, what are you watching on that Netflix, Bango?
Oh, you got a 4 month old? Jeez, congrats, man.
Bango's playing the part. He's a dad. Bango's actually playing the role. Oh my god, even I'm getting tired.
I
Come
know, like
on. Come
we're just watching paint dry. I mean, how many times? Like 2, 3 times that we thought it was gonna work out. I think it's just. And see, look, all this time just for a stop loss to get hit. That's crazy. That's crazy.
No, we gotta come down. Cause I'm whipping out the belt now, chat. I whip out the belt here pretty soon.
But again, I do think we come down, guys. I do think so. I mean, if not now, I mean, hopefully, I mean, of course, I want to see it happen now. But if not now, possibly closer to like London or something. But we
Come
come
on,
down for a
chat. We need
pullback is all I'm looking for. I'm not looking for a whole mean ass reversal, but yeah, guys.
come on, chat. I got the belt out. Blow on the screen. Come down. Come on. Come down. Try to get this belt out.
Um, but yeah, I'm gonna call it there, guys. Whatever happens, happens here. At this point, it's just like, bro, just something, you know. Something happened, man.
What if you get out at break even? I have a feeling. Okay, let's do the countdown. Normally, a countdown works for us. 5, 4, 3. Well, got 50 seconds on this two candles, so we'll do the countdown.
Okay,
45.
put it on a shot clock or shot clock. I mean,
Yeah, we're just watching paint dry now.
yeah, this
This is
range
why
is
we always.
diabolical.
This is why we always say in New York, you don't want to be stuck in chop. You don't want to be stuck in chop. On the bright side, we don't have options where we have to worry about theta.
For real. I know if this was options, you would have been cooked. No, dude. I mean,
Down.
um, no, they don't time out unless the market closes tomorrow. Like so, right now, until market closes tomorrow, that's when you're canceled. Your orders get canceled. You get auto liquidated wherever you are, in the red or in the green. But for right now, you can go to bed on this. You can go to bed, wake up, and then when market closes, Disneyland tired me out today. About to knock out. So, yeah, man. Yeah, dude. At this point, dude, just whatever happens, like I don't even care. Like, just do something, man. Okay, let's see. Yes, set stops and sleep. Yeah, man. So
5,
yeah, let's
4,
see what happens here. So
3, 2, 1. Blast off. Did we get it? Did we get it?
I might just cut it, dude. But I don't want to cut it and then it goes. That'll be crazy.
What he has to sacrifice a lamb for this. All right, it's coming down. Crazy part is I'm watching the 100 tick chart, and then on the real one I'm watching the 1 minute candle. Man, if I was Ubering now, I would have made more money.
For real.
But I think it's gonna curve down. I really do think so. I could have ran a couple miles just watching this paint dry.
For real. I'm cutting it. I'm taking an $11 loss on it. Yeah, it's just dead, man. Let's see what London does. Let's see what London does. Um So yeah, let's see what happens later, man. But I'm cutting it because I gotta hop off here.
So you got out.
Yeah, I cut it.
All
Yeah, I'll
right, I'll
catch you
cut
guys
it.
later. Yeah, man, we'll
Order
see.
filled.
But okay, so look, let me give you guys two scenarios. What could happen? What could happen here? If yeah, what time you get? Honestly, dude, lately I've been kind of, you know, I've been taking a step back, just kind of chilling here because I don't want to be on the charts too much. You know, I feel like I've been needing a little bit of a break. But when I am on this,
Can
usually
we
it's
cut it?
around like what? Where are you from, Bang? I'm here in California, so it's
He's in Cali.
like 6:30. Okay. You're like yeah. Okay, so yeah, like around like 6:30. Just kind of depends, dude. But um yeah, man, it's just day by day. Sometimes there's volume, sometimes there's this. I mean, just look at this, dude. We the little bit of times that we try to short this, the volume kicked in just to take us out, and then it flattens out. So it's like, bruh. But yeah, man, this is definitely like again, uh trading during these hours is good because it gives you time to think about what you want to do, what you want to see. If this happens, then this, I'll do this. So if you do ever get to trade New York, you know, New York moves so much faster. You get to be a lot quicker. But okay, so look, let me give you these two scenarios. So 25,000, you guys can clearly see that it's rejecting, but it's clearly rejecting. But the thing is, if you zoom out, look at how many times we've been trying to tap in up here. And like again, like the more you keep knocking, eventually it's gonna let you in. So let's see if it breaks up. But then you want to wait a little bit. Like don't trot along it, or if you do, two things can happen. You could either catch some move and then it just completely fakes out. But if you want to wait a little bit, look at this. Wow, look at that. But if you want to wait a little
What?
bit, look at the breakout of 25,000. So if it continues to,
Yeah, I got
if it
out.
comes back down, I know, man. But if it comes down, you want to see it create some sort of support now off of 25,000, and then you can play the continuation to go long. So there's two things because this could still just be a fake out play. Just keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. You want to see the structure build. What this happened here, all of this that happened right here, you want to see it kind of build up here so you can catch a continuation, if that makes sense. But I'll be watching, but let's see. Let's see. Right now, I'm still again. I'm telling you. I just have a feeling, man. I just have a feeling. But anyway, I got to get off, guys. So yeah, those are the two scenarios that I have in mind here. But see you guys.
Adios.
See you, Coops. All right, YouTube. Appreciate you guys. Yeah, man. 25,000 was the level. I'll catch you guys later.